Hey everyone, welcome back to Excellent Skills, where we turn spreadsheet into smooth workflows. I'm Ryan.
And I am Ramon. Today, we will dividing into a super practical topic to how to calculate a student grade using Excel.
Perfect for teachers, tutors, or even students managing their own scores.
Let's build a simple gradebook. In Excel, label A1 to E1. Name quiz, midterm, final exam, and average.
Now, enter some sample data. For example, we'll calculate the average in E2. Hmm.
Click E2 and type this formula. Hit the enter. Bam! You get the average.
Or, if each exam has a different weight, use this means quiz 20% and midterm 30% and final has a 50%.
You can now drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to other students.
Want to turn the average into a letter grade? Use the if formula.
And F2, try this.
It checks the average and returns a letter grade based on a common grading scales.
That's it. You just made an Excel Power Grade calculator.
Next time, we'll show you how to use charts to visualize the class performance. Don't miss it.
Thanks for listening to Excel Skills Stay Smart and Spreadsheet Savvy.